everyone, this is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐷𝐿 again. I've got a really nice little Hijet Jumbo here. This is a four-wheel drive and automatic, really clean. It's had a very careful previous owner. He's put some rubber on the back of the cabin here, rubber strips to stop anything damaging his cabin. Got some rubber mat in the back there to stop the bed from getting scratched. You pull that back under there, very clean, lovely. You can see all the paint's shiny, bright, very tidy actually. Even got a Mickey Mouse thing on the door to stop it from getting scratched if he opens it. The seats are excellent, look, very clean and tidy. Pedals in the back here, in the cabin here, all very clean. This car's done 35,000 Ks, which is about 20,000 miles or thereabouts. What year is this one? It's not particularly new, although it looks kind of new. 2008, so it's a 12-year-old car, but really looks much newer than that on condition. Very nice indeed. Just got four-wheel drive. You press this button here, switches the four-wheel drive on. If you put some mud tyres and stuff on this car, it's pretty capable off-road as well. Very nice indeed. So there you are. This is going to be coming to the US very shortly. If you'd like to buy this truck or similar vehicle to it, or we'd like to distribute these trucks, contact us. Have a look on our website at 𝐸𝐵𝐼𝐚𝐼.com and you'll see a lot more information on there. He's even put rubber on here to protect it. Look at that. It's got the chain there. That's how you can fold that down without it falling off. It's a three-side drop. All the trucks have got three-side drops, so they can all go down, make a flat bed on the back. You can load them with a forklift truck or whatever. So there we are. This is ready to go. I've got to hurry up because the ship is going to leave pretty soon and they want to load the cars. So thank you very much for watching. I hope it's interesting. Please do have a look on our website 𝐸𝐵𝐼𝐚𝐼.com and there's a lot more information on there. Thank you again.